I'm Irish Kevin, and what do I have in store for you today? I'm going to show you how to clean up your crappy old grill to make it look brand new. Cue the music. This is one of those things you don't think about until it's grilling time, and just in time for grilling season, let's get this cleaned up. Let's take a look at the old one though. Wow, that is crappy. This grill's about 9 years old. I actually got 9 years out of it. I really pushed it though. I can't believe I cooked on this. Okay, let's gather our cleaning supplies. And here's all you need. Car wash soap, bleach, whatever's in here, Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, a big 5-gallon bucket. Mix it all up in a bucket, pour in the water. I mean, you know, whatever, pour in the water. For sudsy goodness. Okay, now it's time to clean. Get that lather, just like you would your car. Lather up the grills. Yes, lather up the grates. And scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. You can use your old grill utensils as well. You'll get a nice clean out of everything. And scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. Oh, and did I mention this is time lapse? Oh yes, you're gonna be scrubbing for quite a while. Oh, and the outside as well. Lather it up, lather it up, lather it up. Some more time lapse. Some more time lapse. Some more time lapse. All right, let's go for the big reveal. And take a look inside here. Nice and shiny. That took a lot of work. It kind of looks like a sci-fi movie in here. And now I'm gonna start cooking on it and make it all messy. All right, some quick credits, and then stay tuned afterwards for the real deal. Okay, one roll for the real deal. Here's the real deal. All right, here's the in-depth look at the old grill. Check this out. Wow. And this grill has needed cleaning for a long time. If you remember some of the old videos like Malibu mustard pork and St. Patrick's Day, the grill has just been getting progressively worse. Oh, we have a little friend living here. His name is Mickey. Yes, that's right. Yep. And Mickey seems to be pretty tame. Either that or half dead. I mean, it is hot out today. And look at this big hole in the middle. Well, that's where the propane tank went. But seriously, all the rust, this thing hanging down. Look at these big holes in the grates. I'm surprised they didn't lose whole chickens down these things, or steaks, or burgers. And probably the best part is where I use this cinder block piece to hold up the part of the grill the wheel fell off. And if I forgot to mention, did I cook on this? Wow. This is the sky, man. We're all full of that Saharan dust.